Leadership is the ability to influence others to achieve a common goal. Leaders are responsible for setting direction, motivating and inspiring their team, and creating a positive work environment. There are many different types of leadership, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some of the most common types of leadership include autocratic leadership. Autocratic leaders make all of the decisions and give their team little or no input. This type of leadership can be effective in situations where quick decisions need to be made, but it can also lead to resentment and low morale among team members. Democratic leadership. Democratic leaders involve their team in decision-making and give them a voice in how the work gets done. This type of leadership can lead to higher morale and engagement among team members, but it can also be slower and more time-consuming. Laissez-faire leadership. Laissez-faire leaders give their team a lot of autonomy and freedom to work independently. This type of leadership can be effective when team members are highly skilled and motivated, but it can also lead to a lack of direction and coordination. Transformational leadership. Transformational leaders inspire and motivate their team to achieve more than they thought possible. They create a shared vision and help their team members to develop their skills and potential. Transformational leadership can be very effective in driving change and innovation. Servant leadership. Servant leaders put the needs of their team members first and are always willing to help them succeed. They are also humble and willing to learn from others. Servant leadership can create a very positive and supportive work environment. Effective leaders are able to adapt their leadership style to the situation and the needs of their team. For example, a leader may need to be more autocratic in a crisis situation, but more democratic in a more stable environment. The best leaders are also able to build strong relationships with their team members and create a positive work environment where everyone feels valued and respected. Which type of leadership is best? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. The best type of leadership for a particular situation will depend on a number of factors, such as the nature of the work, the skills and experience of the team members, and the overall goals of the organization. Ultimately, the best leaders are those who are able to build strong relationships with their team members, create a positive work environment, and inspire their team to achieve their goals.